And today I'm going to be doing a toy review. So this is my toy. This is my first group of toys. That's my next group of toys. And that's my third group of toys. And that's my fourth group of toys. So now I'm going to show you around my house toy. So this is my room.
Y'all come in here.
I'm not. And like this, I'm just going to show the upstairs. I'm not showing the downstairs. This is my mother's room. And I'm about to get some of my candy for Halloween. Don't tell my dog. And here's my dog. That's my dog. It's Cuddy.